Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel. On this video we're going to be installing the LSFab Gate Saver on my 1975 C10 pickup. On the base of the tailgate trunnion, what we're going to do is we're going to put our tape measure on the edge of the bracket. We're going to measure out 1 inch, drill and tap our hole. Make sure the drill bit that you use is one size smaller than the tap that you have to use for the ball stud. So I do need to remove some material to make room for the tailgate strut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure back 1 inch. I'm going to go on a 45-degree angle, and then I'm going to flush up the panel so it's nice and flush with this inside edge. Now that I've removed enough material for the gate saver to clear, I'm going to touch this bare metal up with some paint. When you install the lower ball stud, make sure you put some blue Loctite on the threads and install the ball stud. We do have to remove this factory arm off of the latch to make room for the gate saver. We're going to rely on the passenger side arm to hold up the tailgate. So let's grind off this rivet and remove the arm. For the top ball stud, on the bottom factory bolt hole, we're going to measure 2.5 inches down and 1/2 inch from this edge to the center of the hole. We're going to drill a 5/16 hole. Before drilling a hole in the box panel, I'm going to remove the tail light and the tail light housing so we don't drill through any plastics. We have made some changes since this video was filmed. Instead of using the 2 washers, you're going to use our stainless steel support bracket. After drilling a 5/16 hole, mount the support bracket sandwiched in between the ball stud and the box panel. Use a jam nut on the back side, and using the support bracket as a guide, drill another hole down below, and then use the provided hardware to bolt the support bracket firmly onto the box panel. Now that our upper ball stud is installed, we can install our taillights again. Final step is to attach your gate saver onto both ball studs. On first operation, make sure that you have ample clearance on all moving parts. These gate savers can be found on our website at ls-fab.com.